we felt there had to be a better way to handle these short trips. Our goal at Marble was to create the lightest electric vehicle in the world, but also with an amazing user experience. We have spent the last 2 years dedicated to crafting and refining our Marble electric skateboard, the lightest electric skateboard in the world. With an amazing team, modern technology, and support from our community, we built the Marble board to be simple to use, efficient, and of course, exhilarating to ride. The Marble electric skateboard is the lightest electric skateboard in the world. It weighs only 9.9 pounds. With one full charge, the board goes 10 miles. That's not 10 testing in the lab miles, it's real world conditions. Most of our test riders are actually getting over 10 miles per charge. The question we get most is, how fast does it go? Well, it is one of the fastest electric skateboards. It has over 2,000 watts of power and will hit speeds of up to 20 miles an hour. It can actually hit 20 miles an hour even going uphill. We realize that 20 miles an hour is pretty quick, so we have designed the board settings to be completely customizable through a smartphone app. Our app, that we call the dashboard, lets you set exactly what you want your top speed to be and determine the level of acceleration that best suits your riding style. This allows you to perfectly tune the board to your needs. If you want, you can even directly control the throttle of the board from our dashboard app, which will allow you to leave the wireless handheld controller at home. We were able to achieve all of this by using state-of-the-art carbon fiber and Kevlar composites to create the deck design that completely encases and protects every bit of the electronics, as well as the battery cells. On top of that, we're using incredibly efficient 3-phase DC motors, battery technology very similar to what you would find in a Tesla Model S. Our custom electronics are being manufactured for us right here in the United States. And finally, everything is assembled, tested, quality controlled, and shipped from our facility here in Tampa, Florida.
Hey there, I'm Ben.
And I'm Jeff.
3 years ago, we set out to design the Z-Board, the world's first weight-sensing electric skateboard.
Since then, we've worked to improve the board in every imaginable way. Today, we're excited to announce Z-Board 2, the best weight-sensing electric skateboard we've ever made.
The Z-Board is a portable, easy-to-use, weight-sensing electric skateboard. To ride, you simply lean forward to go and lean back to stop. Speed is totally variable, so you lean forward a little bit to go walking speed, and then you can lean forward a little bit more to accelerate up to the top speed. The Z-Board is great for all the in-between commutes that all of us face each and every day. Since you can just grab it and go, it's really perfect for any trip that's too far to walk but too short to drive. We've improved upon our one-of-a-kind weight sensing control by incorporating foot pads that are larger and more sensitive. The result is a board that's easier to ride and a lot more fun.
Our new lithium battery is lighter and slimmer, greatly reducing the weight while simultaneously improving range and cutting charge time in half.
Our brushless motor is more efficient and faster than ever.
Finally, our new motor controller is rugged and splash-proof and powers features like headlights, taillights, and regenerative braking.
Our designers and engineers have worked tirelessly over the last 2 years to make the Z-Board 2 the best electric skateboard on the market.
And it's almost ready.
3 years ago, you helped us take the Z-Board from a project in the garage to a real product.
Now we're taking it to the next level.
This is the lightest electric skateboard in the world, Starry. You can use it as transportation. Bring it along onto subways, buses, or even car trunks to a further distance. You can ride it to get breakfast or grocery a few blocks away. Never need to worry about parking or locking when entering a restaurant with your board. In fact, you can bring it to anywhere.
What we want is a revolution of electric skateboards. So we smash control boxes, threw batteries away, pull belts out, discard old motors, and redesign a brand new ultralight electric skateboard, which is Starry.
To achieve the seemingly impossible task, we had to redesign the motor to have it inside the wheels, as well as putting gearbox and sensor inside. We've designed many versions of remote control only for a better user experience. Instead of the short-lived belts, we use the planetary gears to provide unbelievably strong power. Starry has perfect power system to support high speed up to 20 miles per hour and going uphill on a 30-degree slope.
With a small remote in hand, anyone even with no experience can easily control the board using our braking and accelerating features. Starry is safe and smooth to ride for all users from beginners to experts.
Hi Sports Chalet, I'm in Venice Beach today to tell you about the unique Ego electric skateboard. With a full charge, the Ego can go 18 miles at 13 miles per hour. The Ego is really light. At 13.9 pounds, it is really easy to carry around wherever you need to go. With the wireless remote, you can switch from Turtle to Rabbit to increase your speed, and Eco to Sport to increase your torque. When you push the slider forward on the remote, you will go faster, and to stop or slow down, you pull back. An LED light indicator on the remote shows you your board charge status and remote charge status. It will also vibrate when the board gets to 25% charge. In the smartphone app, you can view your speed and odometer to see your total distance traveled. When you slow down, the regenerative braking system charges the battery. There's a USB port to charge your remote or phone wherever you go. The rubber-mounted flexible battery and deck allows for a classic longboarding feel. Large 90mm wheels provide maximum traction even on rough surfaces. It's so fun to see the way people look and wonder how you're skating so easily.